They said I wasn't good enough. They threw me away, but I never stopped. And today, they had to watch.
Look at Adam. This is what I have been dealing with for 6 months. The same mistake. Every single day.
Coach, I'm sorry. Please, let me try again. I can do better.
Better? You've been saying better for 6 months. I'm tired of hearing it. I don't want to see your face anymore.
Coach, please. Just one more chance. I will work harder than anyone here. I promise. Please don't send me away like this.
No! Pack your things and get off my field.
Finally! See you never, Adam. Enjoy watching us on TV.
You again?
I know I'm not on the team, but please let me stay.
I can carry equipment. I can clean after training. I just want to stay near football.
Fine. You can be the helper. He's the problem! Every time he's around this team, something goes wrong. From today, you're banned. Permanently.
I didn't do anything. I wasn't even playing.
I said leave.
If they won't train me, I'll train myself.
Don't worry, I'm not here to cause trouble.
Who are you?
My name is Mr. Danso. I manage a local football club. I've been watching you train here, every night.
How long?
3 weeks. Same time.
Same wall.
Same boy refusing to quit.
Most boys stop after 3 days. You didn't. That's why I'm here. I want you on my team.
Will we ever play Redgate FC?
Next month, district final.
Then I'll be there.
Adam, this is your team now. Everyone, this is Adam.
Welcome to Riverside, Adam.
Hey!
Is that them? The ones who kicked you out?
Yes, that is them.
Are you okay? I have never been more okay in my life.
Adam, is that you in Riverside's kit? Ha, you went from our team to that team?
You really are a loser!
Look at him, pretending he can't hear us.
I was wrong about you.
I should have helped you.
Instead, I pushed you away. I'm sorry.
Thank you, Coach. I learned a lot along the way.